Good evening. Welcome to my daily show. In this program, I look at Nifty, Bank Nifty, and a couple of stocks that caught my attention. Do this using extremely simple yet effective technical indicators like moving averages, trend lines, and a couple of candlestick patterns. Because I do this using extremely simple indicators, I believe anyone can trade. Also, in this particular YouTube channel, before we go ahead, I would like to point out that in this YouTube channel, I also have two very important playlists. One is called Trading Strategies. In this, it is a fortnightly program where I take one particular indicator like I've already done with moving averages or trend lines, and then I talk about trading strategies that can be associated with these moving indicators. It is extremely useful for anybody who wants to learn more trading strategies. The second playlist that is extremely important and useful, I think, for a trader is called Successful Trader Psychology. And here I use analogies from films or mythologies or sports to highlight the kind of psychology of a successful trader. Both this could be extremely useful, and I encourage viewers to do that. Go and see that. It's a fortnightly thing, both these playlists, and it would be, I think, something that everybody would find interesting. So today I'll talk only about the Nifty and Bank Nifty, both on the daily and weekly charts. So the first thing about the daily chart in Nifty is that my STT system went short on Nifty on Monday, and from that day onwards it's remained short despite the fact that Nifty has been sideways, and so we continue to remain short on Nifty. I think it went short at around 11,520 levels, and that's from that level we are short. The other thing, I mean, which you can clearly see in the charts is that Nifty has closed below this trend line, which has been supporting Nifty for quite some time. So this week it went down below that on Monday and now has continued to remain below that trend line. Uh, Even this long-term support trend line of Nifty, which was a support in 2019 and which has been acting as a resistance in this part of the rally in Nifty, Nifty on by today's move has actually closed below that trend line. So in several ways, my SCT system is short. Of course, it's a short-term trend following system, but it is short, and now it is broken below these two trend lines. So that's negative when I look at the daily charts of Nifty. So I wanted to show the weekly chart also. So this is the trend line which we have seen, and I had said has acted as a resistance for the Nifty in this particular rally. And this was the trend line which was supporting the Nifty in the rally of 2019. And in this rally, it had acted as a resistance here. But look at this candlestick pattern that has formed. This is a clearly bearish engulfing pattern, and this is a classical bearish engulfing pattern that has formed on the Nifty. This classical bearish engulfing pattern happening at a point of great resistance to Nifty could actually be of some significance, and therefore one has to be careful if one is long at this point in time. This is Bank Nifty, and while Nifty had gone short on my STT system on Monday itself, Bank Nifty had not done that. And today, Bank Nifty has actually gone short as per my STT system. So, till last in the last 4 days of this week, that is Monday to Thursday, both the indices were in dissonance. Nifty was short as per STT, but Bank Nifty was still long as per STT. Today's move has brought both of them in the same direction. So as per STT, both are short now. That is one thing. Secondly, Bank Nifty had managed to go back above the support trend line, which was there in the past, and it had traded below that. It had managed to break above that, and it has now gone below that trend line. That's not of much significance because anyway, this trend line had been broken in the past, but just a point to note. So the only thing that is now going to support Bank Nifty is this 89-day high-low band and the 50-day moving average, which lies at around 22,500 levels. So currently, Bank Nifty has also turned weak. So finally, if we look at the weekly chart of Bank Nifty, I can see two clear things. One is Bank Nifty has had a big fall and then rallied all the way back to the 89-day high, 89-week high-low band. And again, the 50-day, 50-week moving average happens to be at the same levels, and it has rallied to those levels, to those bands. And from there, what we see today, this pattern in this week, the way the week has closed, the pattern is a clear dark cloud cover. So a dark cloud cover on Bank Nifty in the weekly charts at a point which is of some significance, which is that 89-week high-low band and the 50-week moving average. So in that area, generally we have found resistance, and we have found a dark cloud cover. A fall below the lows of these days, of this week, could could signify further weakness in Bank Nifty. If you liked what you saw and you want to be notified about our new videos, then please show your love by subscribing to our channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon too. Don't forget to visit www.themoneymojo.com for more on our training programs, podcasts and blogs.